Let's begin on the driver's side. Open the hood and locate the front side marker. Turn the socket counterclockwise. Pull out the incandescent bulb. Replace with the LED. And test it. Remember to align the 4 tabs upon installation. Install the socket and turn it clockwise. Now, we will follow the same steps for the passenger side. Locate the front side marker located in front of the battery. Important: removing the battery will create additional space for installation, however please be aware that it may cause the loss of personal settings. Let's start by reaching to the bulb harness. Turn the socket counterclockwise. Pull out the incandescent bulb. Replace with the LED and test it. Install the socket and turn it clockwise. ALA Lighting Advanced LED Lights for Automotive.